In today's consumer goods landscape, everything moves at lightning pace. Consumer preferences, product launches, and emerging hypes and trends blink and you've missed the next big thing. 66% of CPG researchers say their biggest challenge is identifying market trends in real time. Traditional methods simply aren't built for that speed. Reports take weeks. Focus groups are too narrow. By the time insights are derived, the moment has passed. You're left reacting when you should be leading. Our market trend solution changes the game. We identify hypes and trends from the category down to the SKU level in real time, so you can quickly respond to evolving consumer needs and act on market shifts. Here's how it works. We monitor your entire category across both e-commerce and social platforms. But we don't just filter out the noise. Our solution surfaces what's trending, who's driving it, and why consumers are responding. So you get a complete trend analysis for each brand, from the category level down to SKU level. Real-time trend detection based on consumer conversations. Clear, prioritized signals for product improvements and innovation. Leading brands stay ahead of the curve with the right products at the right price and with the right promotional assets. Get in touch to learn more.